Hi, I'd like to introduce you to the Protimeter Restoration Kit. Included in this kit is the MMS2. This is a multi-function moisture meter and hygrometer incorporating pin measurement, non-invasive moisture measurement, humidity, temperature and psychometric measurements, as well as a surface infrared thermometer for measuring condensation states. Also included in the kit is our hammer electrode. This can be used to make measurements in, for instance, hardwood floors, a extension pin probe for getting into awkward areas, some insulated deep wall probes. These will only measure on the tip and can be inserted into a wall, as well as a calibration check device for checking the pin function on the MMS2. The whole package comes in a hard carry case. That's the Protimeter Restoration Kit.